Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like we're coming back down and retesting the low that we did make here. You can see quite clearly we're starting to come into some quite nice bullish divergences, losing momentum to the downside. Obviously the volume very low right now for a lot of cryptos, really just trickling to the downside is what I've been saying. Currently in the midst of this ABC correction for Verasity here, we obviously lost this support low of the 0.23 Fibonacci, as you can see here, at around 0.5%, and right now currently sitting at around, what is this, 0.0043 of a cent, sitting on top of that previous level of resistance as support, as you can see here. Looking for a bounce in this area. I do think, you know, got some bullish divergences starting to come into play. If we do start to make our way down like this, there will probably become a point where we'll get a very nice reversal off the low with a lot of volume and interest, just like we did down here when we had this initial run up for Verasity here. You can see the volume getting very, very low, the candlesticks getting very, very small, just continuing to trickle to the downside, and then all of a sudden a breakout and a massive burst of volume. And right now we are kind of doing the same thing here. You can see volume decreasing all the time, just like we had been really in this area here. Volume decreasing all the time, price trickling to the downside, and you can see here now kind of doing a similar thing, looking for that key level of support before, I think, you know, that 1, 2, and then looking for that next leg up like this. Obviously if that's the case, it'd be very nice to see what kind of prices we'd be looking at. I think potentially, you know, you could be looking at something like this where you start to get your falling wedge kind of formation like this. Maybe we could see a deviation back inside, just heading down like this, get a deviation back inside the range here like this, retest, come down, fully back test an area somewhere like this, and then get a bounce. It'll be interesting to see what happens with Verasity. I do think this thing's running on massive hype, just like most cryptos are, but this is definitely a crypto I think is going to do extremely well going into the next few years, and I have got a decent bag of it if that's the case. So as always guys, that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.